Jiten Lalwani, your host and host for this grand evening. So before I start, I want to say something to all the medical practitioners, physicians, pharma companies, hospitals, and to all of you who are responsible for our well-being, and especially during this tough pandemic time. I salute you all. It indeed gives me immense pleasure to extend a very warm welcome to one and all on behalf of SIMS Medica for the 8th Grand Edition of Healthcare Excellence Awards 2020, recognizing the excellence in healthcare in a digital way. SIMS Medica is known to create differences come what may the situation is, and so is our Healthcare Excellence Awards 2020 in this pandemic. SIMS Medica is a global leading provider of drug information, educational content, and marketing services to healthcare professionals, pharmaceutical marketers, and consumers. It publishes leading drug directory, SIMS, IDR, and various scientific journals like Journal of Pediatrics, Obstetrics, Gynecology, Cardiology Today, and Orthopedics Today, among others. It creates and distributes a wide range of healthcare information, including medical and drug information systems, medical journals, customized communications, and patient education in print, electronic, web, broadcast, and live event formats. It is exceptionally well placed to design and organize engaging congresses, conferences, and CME events that advance the exchange of ideas and best practices. SIMS Healthcare Excellence Awards 2020 aims to bring together medical practitioners, physicians, pharma companies, service providers, hospitals, and medical institutions from all over India. Let me have the privilege to introduce our esteemed Honorable Chief Guest and VIP for this evening, organizer and Managing Director of SIMS Medica, Dr. Monica Sood Bhatia. May I have her on the screen, please?
Hi, everyone. Thanks, Jitin. Today, we all gathered virtually in this new normal to celebrate and recognize excellence in healthcare and to encourage and motivate our healthcare professionals to keep delivering for the greater good of humankind. We felt that under the current scenario, it's absolutely essential to recognize the relentless efforts of the healthcare warriors and facilitators who have been working in these challenging circumstances to provide care to the patients. Under the usual circumstances, right now, we would have been sitting in the luxury of a star hotel with a glass of our favorite drink in our hand and networking with remarkable people from the healthcare sector. But this year, though we are missing the glamour and glitz of our usual life, but we certainly have this unique opportunity of enjoying this program under the comforts of our homes and in the presence of our families. So let's make the most of it. Thank you, Jitin.
She is the Regional Director, MIMS, Managing Director, SIMS Medica, India and Middle East, Publisher and Editor-in-Chief of SIMS Drug Directory, IDR, SIMS Medical Journals, and SIMS Doctor Newspaper. She is also the organizer of Indian Pharma Expo, Nutrition and Wellness Show, Hospital Management Show, SIMS Doctor Sports League, and Indian Dental Expo. Dr. Monica Sood Bhatia is leading business for SIMS Medica that involves services like pharma marketing, healthcare data, events, exploring advertising, and platform-driven business across India and Middle East. She is a dentist by qualification and a topper of the university, holding a MBA degree and a GMP degree from Harvard Business School, Boston, USA. With over 20 plus years of experience in healthcare media, IT and marketing, encompassing product development and management, business development, and publication management, she believes in learning and adding value in every step of life. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri DC Sahu. Can we have him on screen, please?
First of all, I would like to thank Monica Bhatia, Ankit Narula, and organizer of this event.
जो हमारे दोस्त होते हैं ना, और अगर वो डॉक्टर होते हैं और अगर वो हमारे घर आते हैं तो हमारे पेरेंट्स बड़े खुश होते हैं। एक तो इसीलिए क्योंकि वो चाहते थे कि ये नालायक भी डॉक्टर बने, वो नहीं बन पाया, तो जब मित्र आता है जो कि डॉक्टर, उन्हें बड़ी खुशी होती है, और जब वो जा रहे होते हैं ना तो उन्हें पकड़ लेते हैं। डॉक्टर साहब सुनिए, आजकल कमजोरी बहुत लगती है, भूख भी मर गई है, तो कोई ताकत वाकत की टॉनिक लिख देते तो मतलब डॉक्टर घर में आया तो ताकत की टॉनिक तो चाहिए ही चाहिए। चलिए, moving ahead to panel discussion, we now invite our esteemed panelist for a panel discussion on impact of COVID-19 pandemic on healthcare scenario in India. So I'll request Dr. Monica Bhatia and Shri DC Sahuji to stay there, and I would like to call upon Dr. Sunil K. Khetarpal, Chief Transformation Officer at Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Center, Delhi, India. He's also Principal Assessor for NABH Standards. And we have with us Dr. C.M. Bhagat, President, Association of Healthcare Providers India, Delhi NCR. He's also founder and MD of Bhagat Hospital Private Limited. And privileged to have amongst us Advocate Shashank M. Deshpande, medico-legal consultant and independent law practitioner since 25 years, practicing at Sessions Court, Civil Judge Division Courts, Judicial Magistrate, First Class Courts, and Family Courts in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Very welcome, very, very warm welcome to all the panelists. So, over to panel discussion. You all can take the stage, please.
Yeah. Thank you, Jitin. So, welcome all the esteemed panelists. So, I would just like to start this with, on a lighter note, that we have seen almost everything happening over the virtual platform in this period. So, one of the funniest things I witnessed the other day was my friend's little son taking virtual soccer training classes and actually trying to play with a ball. He had placed bottles and he was trying to push around the ball in his dream to become a big soccer player. So, I would please, I would like to urge you to share any such unique virtual platform that you have experienced in the last couple of months. So, so we have all been experiencing birthday parties and everything. And right now, I think this in itself is quite a unique platform where we are trying to recognize the healthcare fraternity on a virtual platform. So as we begin the panel discussion, my first question, which is the predominant question in everyone's mind today, is when, in which month, or let's say which year, will we be resuming normal corona-free life? Please, it is an open question to all the panelists. Please share your expert opinion on this, that when do you think we will be free of corona?
I can't say on this topic because we are not experts. There are so many pharma and medical doctors associated in this exhibition and seminar. They can tell me better than.
Right. No, apne analysis. Dr. Khetarpal, any analysis? Yes, sir. Dr. Sahu, yes, Shri Sahu, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे.
Dr. Khetarpal will continue, madam. More than 6 months may be required, I think.
Okay. Dr. Khetarpal, according to you?
Yes, very good evening to you, all the panelists and the moderator, Dr. Monica Bhatia. Well, this is a very tricky question.
Yes.
It's a very tricky question, and till date, I think nobody is able to predict that how long this coronavirus or the COVID will last. But to me, it is going to stay for at least another 6 months, because the curve, initially the curve rose and then it is flattening now. But still, it is sporadically, we see a lot of cases in different parts of the country, because there are a lot of red zones, and still the cases are, in some areas it is rising, in some area it is decreasing. So it is we cannot predict exactly, but still, we're seeing the trend. I think overall the cases are reducing, the case fatality rate is also reducing. So we are hoping by end of this year, we should get rid of this virus. So this is my, I don't know, I'm not sure about it, but this is just my own analysis. Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, this is unpredictable situation. It will take at least 6 to 7 months. This is my personal opinion, of course. But the doctors who are taking maximum effort, and they are also taking risk of their life. So hats off to them. उनके लिए मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ कि डॉक्टर जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में, कि हर एक के हाथ में कुछ लकीरें होती है जिनमें जुड़ी उनकी तकदीरें होती है। आपके हाथ में भी कुछ लकीरें खास हो और सारी दुनिया की खुशियां आपके पास हो। तो ये डॉक्टर्स के लिए मैं कहना चाहता हूँ। और दिस इज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल सिचुएशन, इफ वी ऑल पीपल विल टेक प्रॉपर केयर, घर के बाहर हम लोग नहीं निकले, तो मुझे लगता है कि जल्दी से जल्दी ये प्रॉब्लम जो है वो ये हो जाएगा और ये प्रॉब्लम जो है वो सॉल्व हो जाएगा। बट एवरी पर्सन शुड टेक अ केयर। हर एक ने अपना अपना सोचते कि भाई मुझे मेरे पे सब पे जिम्मेदारी है। से आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन, एज बीइंग अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन, जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस है उसके इंस्ट्रक्शंस के इन फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ दैट इंस्ट्रक्शंस, हर एक आदमी ने घर के बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए विदाउट एनी रीजन। दिस इज माय ओपिनियन, मोनिका जी।
Right, sir. Thank you. And this question, next question is for Dr. Bhagat. What is the message to the government and industry colleagues in terms of critical areas that we need to focus and address?
We have to, there is a current situation and there is what is going to happen after this situation. In the current situation, government has to see that the service provider sustains. And to sustain, I mean the resources as well as the finances. For the future, why I mentioned this was that currently what is happening is the industry is feeling, healthcare industry is feeling very disturbed about the messages which we are getting from the government, actual message rather than what is given as the to the media. And request you to carry on.
Right. Thank you, Dr. Bhagat. My next question is for Mr. Deshpande. What precautions can be taken by a doctor while offering advices on digital media or phone to a patient?
The answer of this question is offering advices on digital media or phone would be actually dangerous, as the advices may or may not be perfect. Bearing in the mind that sometimes patient file a complaint against the doctor without any reasonable cause under Consumer Protection Act or deficiency of service or any other law, doctors must be careful. While providing telehealth, it is advisable that a doctor should tell his patient to send a photo of lab report on WhatsApp. The doctor may mention in their message that I have prescribed you medicine only on the basis of report sent by you through WhatsApp on so and so date. Also, where the distance is a critical factor, it becomes impossible to check blood pressure. So prescribing medicine for
Right. Yes, sir. Dr. Khetapal, you wanted to say something?
I just wanted to add what Dr. Deshpande has answered. Your question was that what precautions doctors should take while doing teleconsultation. See, I will just answer up to the point. Doctors should take a consent. See, a consent form will definitely safeguard the doctor from litigation. And the Medical Council of India has come up with the guidelines for telemedicine on 25th of March, and now telemedicine is legalized.
Thank you. Thanks to all our panelists for their insights. And we will, in the interest of time, we will now proceed with the award ceremony.
Thank you all. But before we proceed with the award, time for much awaited Healthcare Excellence Awards. But before that, let me brief you about Healthcare Excellence Awards. SIMS Healthcare Excellence Awards virtual ceremony intends to felicitate the achievers in healthcare and pharmaceutical industry to encourage healthy competition, resulting in better delivery of healthcare services. the awards ceremony presents an opportunity to be in the company of reputed consultants, heads of leading healthcare institutions, healthcare business investors, and senior management of leading pharmaceutical companies under one roof. So, can I request to Shri DC Sahu to stay with us, and requesting Dr. Monica to announce the winners, please. And also requesting the winners to give their speech in a KISS format. Okay, let's start with our very first award. The award for Best Brand of the Year in Diabetes. And the winner is...
The award goes to Gluconom G Lupin.
Getting this Best Brand of the Year award for brand Gluconom G, and I would sincerely like to thank the entire SIMS team for recognizing the efforts of our entire field team and the marketing teams. And perhaps the entire country is in lockdown, the entire globe is in lockdown, and still SIMS team has ensured and carried out this virtual ceremony and ensured the continuous motivation to all the brand managers and the marketing fraternity of the pharmaceutical industry. And surely the journey this brand has definitely in the past has also achieved many milestones. This year also it could get nominated and bag this award. So feeling wonderful, moment of pride. And definitely this award we would like to dedicate to our entire team of diabetes care working in day in day out in the field, sweating in and generating each new prescription and helping patients to manage their diabetes and bettering their lifestyle. Thank you once again, and thanks for hosting this wonderful show on the virtual ceremony. And perhaps this is the first of its kind, and entire nation is moving on the digital platform, and SIMS is definitely taking a pioneering role in this. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir, and once again, congratulations to you. Second award is for pharma company with most trusted neuropsychiatric brand portfolio, and the winner is...
And the winner for this is Sanity Pharma.
Thank you so much for giving me this honor. It has been my endeavor to make impactful medicine in this neuropsychiatry segment. I am glad that I am the only one who was able to make a breakthrough, but that I am also been recognized for my hard work. Thank you once again to everyone who made this possible, and I promise you my company will continue make such meaningful contribution to pharma industry. Thank you SIMS team for arranging such a beautiful virtual award ceremony and recognizing my hard work. Thank you.
The next category is orthopedic brand with promising results, and the award goes to...
And the award goes to Ultra D3 10K by Mayor Vita Biotics.
बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको.
Yes, thanks. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And first of all, I would like to say a few words on the behalf of Mayor Vita Biotics. So, thank you very much for this great excellence, healthcare excellence award. Thanks to the SIMS and all the jury members. And this recognition for me or for my brand, it is a great honor. And this is the only player in the market, Ultra D3 10K, which provides the 10,000 international unit dose of vitamin D3. And stay safe in this pandemic situation. And thank you. And congratulations to all the winners.
Please stay with us. Yeah.
Yes.
Please.
So that's a topic.
Yeah, thanks. It's good. Yes, thanks.
Thank you so much. Trusted brand of the year, and the winner is...
And the winner is Zermero Advanced Hand Rub by Solace Biotech.
basically we total team has worked passionately on this brand, this product, so as to provide the best possible product at the marketplace in this scenario. Because of all the odds like availability of the material, transportation of the material, but our team worked very well and reached to the masses, and our acceptance of the product in the masses with the people, that was great. And we thanks Sims Medica for recognition of our efforts, and thank you.
Thank you, sir.
सर आप वहीं रहिए, अवार्ड अभी आ रहा है आपके पास. Please, can we have the award for him? Yeah. Sir, with due respect, most promising brand of the year 2020, and the winner is.
The winner is Switch from Alkem.
Yeah, it's a great pleasure and pride to win this award, and let me share that this is a year, was a great year. 1920 was a great year for Switch. Switch has performed not only internally also, even externally, it has outperformed the competitions. I would like to congratulate the brand custodian Ajay Srivastav and my colleague Prem, who was handling one of the SKUs. And let me tell you, as far as your anti-infective is concerned, Alkem being a number one, we always cherish an award when you get in anti-infectives. And most importantly, most of the anti-infective of Alkem having a global quality, which we are marketing in India at affordable price. That is the endeavor from Alkem. And I would like to thanks to the entire team of Sims for organizing such a great show. Thanks to the jury, and most importantly to my field team. During this pandemic time, they are working in the field. They are working day in, day out to grab the prescriptions from doctors. So thank you to all of you.
Here is your award, virtual award.
Thank you.
Thank you, White Warrior.
Next award is for company with quality manufacturing Ayurvedic segment, and the award goes to
Blue Star Laboratories.
Yeah, thank you so much. On behalf of Blue Star Laboratory, I want to express my gratitude to Shri DC Sahu, Director in Charge MSME, and Dr. Monica for appreciating our efforts and presenting this award to us. And I also congratulate the whole CMS team for organizing such a beautiful virtual successful event in this epidemic time. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Moving on to the next category, and that is fastest growing cardiac company, and the winner is.
And the winner is Lloyd Healthcare Private Limited.
Thanks to Sims for creating this virtual way of approach. And as an organization head, when we are going to get this opportunity, when we got this award, I'm really very much happy, and thanks to Sims, because for the first time in just 8 years, we have reached to this position, and for the first time we have got this award. Thank you.
Thank you so much. अगले अवार्ड की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, जो कि है फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग कंपनी इन न्यूरो साइकेट्री, और ये अवार्ड जाता है किसको, मोनिका जी?
And the award goes to Psychocare Health Private Limited.
बधाई हो आपको.
Thank you so much. Thanks for a lovely evening, sir. And it's a great honor again. Last year winning the award of emerging company neuropsychiatry from Sims Medica, and this year as the fastest growing company. It's been an honor throughout. And the best part is the way you have managed the show. And this is like a new trend which will start after this. And but both the things are different and nice. Last year we were there, we were present there. That was a different experience. This year, totally another different experience. Coming to the award, it's a great honor to get this award from the esteemed panel, and we take this oath to take it further and provide high quality neuropsychiatry medicines across the country and serve the people in our best possible way. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Can we have the award, please? हमारा अगला अवार्ड है हेल्थ टेक इनोवेशन ऑफ द ईयर एंड द विनर इज
The award goes to TalkMed NGS Biotech Private Limited.
Thank you for this award. I am truly honored to receive it. Express my sincere gratitude to Sims Medica and jury for selecting me. It is very nice platform created by Sims. Few words about the TalkMed. TalkMed is one of the best telemedicine application and tools that is improving the health of people around the world. The slogan of TalkMed is "Talk to Medical is" क्योंकि health की बात है. Also thanks my team who is behind this success and keep doing hard work to get many more. Once again, thanks to all Sims Medica team for this memorable evening.
Thank you. Moving on for the next award, and that is Excellence in Orthopedic Segment, Brand of the Year, Brand of the Year 2020, and the award goes to
Reshake Forte, Shakam Life Sciences.
First of all, thanks to Sims Medica for giving me this award. I'm really thankful to them. And apart from this, I would also like to say that we did really put a lot of efforts in this brand over here to create the brand of the year. Probably, and thanks to my team for working round the clock on this award. Thanks a lot, everyone.
Sir, great award. Thank you so much, sir. So moving on to our next award, and our next award is for Most Trusted Pharma Company in PCD and Contract Manufacturing. Monica ji, please do the honors.
And the award goes to Delvis Healthcare.
और हमारा अगला अवार्ड है Best Emerging Pharma Chain of the Year, and the award goes to
Broston CS Biocare.
First of all, very good evening to all of you. I would like to thank to Sims Medica for giving us an opportunity to introduce ourselves on this platform. And we are very thankful to all of our distributors who has given us such a scenario that we are working on this platform right now. And all the staff members, all the colleagues who are working with us round the clock for having such a scenario. And we are feeling very proud on this occasion. And it's a very wonderful show that we are entertaining today. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much. You truly deserve this award.
Thank you, sir.
Please, can we have the award, please?
Thank you.
Good. Moving on to the next category, and that is Best Quality Pharmaceutical Brand of the Year 2020. And the winner is
Zylic Life Sciences.
Moving on to the next category, and the next award is for innovative online wellness store, and the award goes to.
I love their name. It is Be Young Store by Deccan Healthcare.
I'd like to thank Sims Medica for this award. I am collecting this award on behalf of Being Stores and Deccan Healthcare Limited, online wellness stores for all healthcare needs. We are proud to receive this award. In this testing time of COVID-19, we are mobilized our team of 6,000 plus sales influencers to reach out as many as people who are in the need of immunity boosters and sanitizers. Stay safe, stay warm. Thank you.
Moving on to the next category, and that is for excellence in Markham Brand of the Year.
And the award goes to Telista from Lupin.
I would like to thank SIMS jury members for recognizing our efforts and judging us with excellence in Markham Award. I would also like to thank and acknowledge supports and contributions of my colleagues and seniors who have been a part of this marketing communication and initiative. I'm truly honored to receive it. This award will definitely motivate us to further build on marketing initiatives to enrich and add value to the life of healthcare service providers and patients. I would also like to congratulate Sims Medica for successfully conducting this virtual healthcare excellence award, which is the first of its kinds in India. Thank you once again.
चलिए प्लीज अवार्ड को एक्सेप्ट कीजिए आपके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. Thank you. Moving on to the next category, and that is for most trusted pharma company in winner is.
The winner is iWell Pharma.
Good evening, all of you. Thank you, Sims, for giving us such a big opportunity. I, being a very young age guy, I would like to. This is my first award. Actually, I don't know what to speak and what not to speak. Thank you for giving me such a big opportunity, and it will keep me motivating to work hard more and more. I am at the age of just 28 years. Would like to grab more of such awards from Sims in the future. So thank you once again, Sims, for giving me such a big opportunity. Thank you, Sims.
Yeah. On to the next category, and that is for highest growing company in critical care.
The award goes to Alchem Hospicare.
Receiving any award is an recognition for the organization. So my PU head, Mr. Sandeep Day, is not available because he's busy in the meeting. So on behalf of him, I am taking this award. And this all efforts are there for great teamwork from my team under the leadership of Sandeep Day, sir. So thank you, Sims, for recognizing our efforts in the market. And we are the fastest growing, as mentioned. We are the 5th in RPM and 26% was our growth. So thank you once again, Sims, and Dr. Monica and Mr. Jatin for enriching this evening. Thank you.
Pleasure. आगे बढ़ते हैं और अगला अवार्ड है मोस्ट ट्रस्टेड कोविड यूटिलिटी कंपनी ऑफ द ईयर.
And the award goes to Charan Laboratories.
On behalf of the whole Charan Labs family, I take this honor to thank Sims Group for nominating and honoring me for this prestigious award. I look forward to serve the humanity through this platform This award will give me strength and courage to progress and excel in life and in future endeavors. Thank you so much.
और हमारा अगला अवार्ड है डॉक्टर ऑफ द ईयर विद बेस्ट सर्विसेज इन डर्मेटोलॉजी.
And the award goes to Dr. Ramavtar Bam.
I am highly thankful to CIMS Medica for choosing me as a Doctor of the Year for services in dermatology by giving this Healthcare Excellence Award 2020. I am highly thankful to you, sir. Thank you.
Moving on to the next category, and that is for Personality of the Year in Pharmacy Excellence, and it goes to
Mr. Shaji John from Ruby Hall Clinic.
First of all, let me thank SIMS Medica and the juries for giving me this award. Also, I would like to thank the management and staff of my institution, especially Mr. Bobby Bode, my CEO, who is my inspiration. And last but not the least, Mr. Anand Patil and the information technology team for their tremendous support. Thank you so much.
moving on to the next category, and that is for hospital with highest standard in patient care. And
The award goes to Yashoda Group of Hospitals.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yashoda Hospitals has always been committed towards providing excellent services and quality care to the patients. And we are really happy that we are recognized. It really feels good and motivating. Thank you. Thanks a lot to SIMS Medica and the entire jury and the sponsors for giving us this opportunity.
moving on to our last but not the least, and the award is for most promising immunity booster brand goes to
It goes to Ratna Prash from Dabur.
First of all, big thanks to SIMS. I think this is the last award. I think wonderfully hosted show. I think this will give us a new way of. First of all, when I heard that this will be conducted in a virtual platform, I had my own doubts that how it's going to happen. I think congratulations to you guys, Dr. Monica, Mr. Jatin, and all. Wonderfully done. Regarding the brand, I think this is the second time I'm getting this award. I think the brand is very good brand in today's context, especially. At Dabur, our endeavor is always to help people with immunity. So we have started a campaign called Immunity at Your Doorstep. We have reached more than 10,000 societies across the country, and we are carrying these, the immunity boosting brands, natural brands, directly to your doorstep. And Ratna Prash is one of the very important brand for us. And without saying much words, thank you very much, SIMS. It's really lovely, and keep doing the good work. Thank you very much.
Thank you once again. Okay, SIMS Medica would like to thank our chief guest, Shri DC Sahuji, guest of honor, Dr. Sunil Khetrapal, Dr. CM Bhagat, Advocate Shashank M. Deshpande, respected delegates and attendees for making this event a huge success. SIMS Medica would also like to thank all our partners, key partners, media partners, once again for being present for the Health Excellence Awards. Over to Monica ji, आपके पास आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी? Your last. comments and words.
So yes, once again, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude and appreciation to honorable chief guests, our esteemed panel members, participating companies, delegates, my friend Jiten, and the media partners. We at SIMS Medica are committed towards empowering healthcare communities and those who are passionate about learning. Our team did our best to provide a memorable virtual experience, and heartiest congratulations to all the winners. I'm sure the celebrations will continue at home after the show. Lastly, stay safe, and for once, it is okay to say stay negative and stay away from positive people. And most importantly, stay happy. Nothing increases your chances of getting infected more than stress and anxiety. Thank you so much.
Sure.
And I would like to thank my entire team and get them on the screen, who have worked relentlessly for putting up this show in such a short span of time.
उससे पहले मैं भी कुछ कहना चाहूँगा, ये कि मुझे भी बहुत आनंद आया, बहुत मजा आया, धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ, बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। और ये छोटा सा संदेश है कि आप लोग प्लीज याद रखिएगा, साबुन से बार-बार हाथ धोना जिंदगी से हाथ धोने से बेहतर है। So take care, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
To Dr. Khetapal for staying with us on the screen. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Monica. I would like to share something here.
Yes.
That I was detected COVID positive, and I was admitted in the hospital for about 2 weeks, and then followed by a home quarantine for 1 week. So now I am perfectly fine. I am a fighter, and I was very positive, and I won the battle, and I become a corona survivor. So this is my secret I wanted to share with you.
Thank you so much for sharing this. Very inspiring to hear this. And a big round of applause for the entire SIMS team.
Yeah, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to be the part of this.
Okay, thank you so much. As we said, stay safe, stay home, and stay. Thank you.